Hi, this is Lisa Gonzalez, and at this week's Curriculum Leadership Council, I'm going to be teaching you how to use Animoto in order to give your students some options for sharing with you their knowledge of specific concepts. And in order to do that, I'm going to show you some quick examples of what students have been able to do with Animoto. This first example is by Camille. It's called One More Baby, and it's an example of what she did in order to show one of the properties of addition. She's a third grade student up in the El Dorado Hills area. So take a look at what she did. In order to do this project, Camille used images from Google Images. She created this entire project without any help from adults. So that was an example of Camille's project. If you go to the Animoto website, here's another example done by some older students on civil rights. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved. Now with Animoto, you can upload pictures or you can use the ones that they have already identified. You can also put the words in that you're seeing right there as well. Students can do the same exact thing. So I'm going to stop this and I'm going to show you a couple of examples of some videos that I made. There's one here. It's called An Autobiography in 6 Words or Less, and this is something that we did at a teacher training at the Santa Clara County Office of Education a couple of years ago. All of these pictures were examples of pictures that were already in Animoto. I didn't need to load anything. I just needed to put in the text, put slides in order, so drag and drop, and then press generate. And within about 4 minutes, I was sent an email that let me know this entire presentation was completed. So all these great edits, I didn't have to do a thing other than press a button and let the program do it itself. Sound interesting and maybe something that your students would like to do? Well, here's what we would like you to do ahead of time. If you go to animoto.com/education, you'll be able to apply for a free educator account. And what they require is, they require you to put in your name, your school email address. This right here is key. You need to put in your school email address because that's how they verify that you are working in public education. And if you have a class website or a blog, that's great. If not, that's okay. You can still create an account. But this is the way that you're able to get anything more than the 30-second free account that anyone can get. So I hope that you find this valuable. If you can sign up for the education account ahead of time, it will give you an opportunity to really explore this in our training. Thanks.